Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Welcome to ContentClaw. Now, what ContentClaw does is it creates you profitable audiences on social media on 14 different social media platforms. So if you go to integration, if you're on the dashboard, you can connect all different social media accounts. You can connect your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Threads, LinkedIn, Reddit, Pinterest, 11 apps, and tons more. Like you can add a bunch of things. And now, what do I mean by profitable audience, right? So every social media accounts on your Facebook, on Twitter, on your Instagram, on your YouTube, you have followers, right? But we want followers who would spend money, followers who would buy our products and services. So what ContentClaw does, it finds trending videos where a lot of people are engaging on products, on services, and recreates them. So you post those videos, you get access to the same audience, and those audience start following you, start clicking on your links, on your buy now links, and buying your product or booking your service or paying you for whatever you're promoting. So let me show you how ContentClaw works. So once you're on the dashboard, you click on Create Campaign. And here what you can do is you can select your own custom niche right here, or you can pick from a bunch of these niches that we have pre-added for you. But you can click on here and you can add your own niche, whatever business you're in. For example, if you're in a local business, let's say you're a lawyer or a plumber, you can just put lawyer or plumber here. But just for the demonstration purpose, let's do sports training, right? So we can do sports training. And you can select the country and the language, right? So for example, again, I'll give you an example of local business. So if you're creating videos or a money audience for lawyers in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil, you can just select Brazil and select the language Portuguese, and it would work. Now, let's go click next. It's gonna process, and now what it does is it has created our campaign name. So it's gonna give us, so what we can do is give it a campaign name, one. Now, Peak Performance Lab, this is the name for our new Instagram, YouTube channel, or social media profile username, right? So if you want to create a new profile, it will give you a recommendation, it'll give you a bio that you can add. And then this is the monetization, the auto monetization, right? So what's going to happen here is I'm going to put my affiliate link or my e-commerce store link, my store link, or link to my website, or link to my Calendly where I want people to go and book appointments for me, or my affiliate link for JVZoo ClickBank. Anywhere you want your customers to go to see your website, to see your platform, to see your giveaway, to see your booking form, whatever. We put it here, and all the videos, all the carousels, all the images, all the tweets that ContentClaw will create, it will mention this URL. So this is the money URL. This is the auto monetization feature. Super simple to do. Now here what we're going to do is we're going to select whatever account we want to post our content on. So I'm just going to select the ones I've connected. I'm going to click on process. It's going to show all the accounts that you have already connected. Now, here's a quick summary of everything. Sports training, this is the name. 3 platforms we have selected. It's going to take about a few minutes to start showing us trending products. So now we're in the trend analyzer module, and it's going to show us all the videos and contents, not just videos, like it could be tweet, could be carousel, could be image, could be reel, could be short, that are trending, getting tons of views. So if we filter, so on TikTok, we can see these videos are doing really well. On Instagram, these videos are doing well. It's loading right now. And then if I click on details, for example, it's going to give me a full breakdown of what's going on. Viral is 56, active, it's really good. Trend score is 20. So it's not the best, but then adaptability is like really, really good. Like you will get tons of views promoting this. Now, if I go back on YouTube, you can see all these videos that are doing well. So if I click on details, this one is exploding. Like we need to replicate this. Trend score is so high, adaptability is so high, freshness is very high. So like this is a perfect example. So what I'm going to do is, usually AI will auto select some of the videos for you. What I'm going to do is just unselect all of these and just going to select myself, right? So I definitely want to copy this one. Let's see on Facebook what's going on. Let's see this one, active. This is decent. Let's see, what about this one? This is also doing, it's a post, so this is doing well. Again, you can see on LinkedIn as well, Instagram, as well. Let's see about this one. It's pretty active, so we can do this. What about this one? Also area. So all the videos that you see are like really trending videos. Now let me explain you what's really happening here. I'm gonna pick one from TikTok as well, just show you how TikTok is. This is active, is doing really well. So I'm gonna select this one, or anything with a little bit higher. Let's do this. Now let me explain you what's really happening. So all these videos are trending in my niche, the sports campaign niche that I selected, the sports training. Now, because all the people have already created these videos and they have tested it, and these are recent videos, not like 3 months or 6 months or 2 years or 10-year-old video. These are recent videos, less than a month old, right? So these are still popular among people. You can see it has 19 million views. This has 13 million views, 18 million views, right? And you can see all the details about it over here, the tags and everything, what's going on. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to select these videos, and what ContentClaw is going to do is going to analyze these videos, find out their DNA, what's the script, what's the music, what's the animation like, what kind of video, what energy, and then it's going to replicate that entire video for you in your brand language, right? So it's gonna take this video, or let's say it's gonna take this video, it's gonna find out what's so good about this video, and then it's gonna replicate that same thing just for you in your own brand, with your own affiliate link, with your own e-commerce or store link, or whatever link, your booking link, whatever you want, right? So it's not gonna copy, it's gonna take a trending video, a viral video, and create a version of it that is guaranteed to go viral, because people are already watching that viral video. So it's going to create another version of it with all the same, elements. It's going to use the same recipe and just going to create that for you. Now, if you want, you can rescan it, of course, by clicking here. But once you've selected, let's scroll down and click on generate content. Now, let's go for schedule later. But if you want to do a manual schedule, what you can do is select the date and time, and it will create the content and schedule it. But I want to show you schedule later, so I can show you a little bit more on the steps if you want to do it a little bit more manually, have more control over it. But again, with ContentClaw, you can spend 20 minutes a day and you can create and publish 10, 12 different pieces of content that are guaranteed to get you millions of views. This is better than mass content creation and publishing and like throwing everything at the algorithm on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, and hoping something would stick. These videos, these images, these tweets are gonna stick because they are already doing well. And what we're doing is we're finding them, analyzing them, understanding their DNA, breaking it all down, creating our own recipe and recreating. So this is the first video, as you can see right over here. You can see the original script. Now it doesn't have a lot of script because it's probably just music, so it's going to add that music for you, and it has created a new script based on the title, the description, and the song, that the music that was in the video. So it has created one script for Facebook, another for Instagram, another for YouTube, because we connected Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube in our channel. If we connected TikTok, it will create one for TikTok. If we connected Twitter, it will show it for Twitter. Whatever platform you select, it will create a script for you, right? So this is the first piece of content that we're going to create. This is the third one. Again, it's going to create Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, because these are the 3 accounts. Please understand, it's only created Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube for me because that's what I have connected. If you connect to Twitter and TikTok as well, it will have created Twitter and TikTok as well. So these are the 3 videos. So what's going to happen is going to create me 9 videos. 3 videos based on this viral videos, 3 videos based on this viral video from Instagram, and 3 videos based on this viral video I found on TikTok. I'm going to click on next, and it's going to take me to the option where I can select my voiceover. So of course, if I connect my 11 Lab, or if I've cloned my voice inside ContentClaw, I can use that, or I can pick whichever language, voice, tone I want, whatever gender I want, and click on save and generate. Now I can add a talking head as well. I can put a picture, I can upload a picture, and it will add my picture on all the videos that I want. But once I click on generate, it's going to take us to the ContentForge, where all the videos are going to be created, all the content is going to be created. So we're in the content studio in the ContentForge, and all you can see these 3 videos from the first viral video is being generated. You can see these 3 video clips from the second viral video that we selected is being generated, and you can see these 3 videos that we are creating from this viral video are being generated. Now, not only is going to generate these videos for you, it's also going to create the thumbnail, create the title and description. So when you schedule these videos, it's going to post all of that for you all automatically on the date and time of your choosing, and it's going to include your money link in it as well. So let me open up all of these. As you can see, like thumbnails are being generated right now. Everything is being done AI, and this is like created by AI. Like the thumbnail is AI. It's creating the slide. It's creating. You can download the thumbnail if you want. You can delete, edit, whatever you want, and it's going to create all these videos ready for you to edit. And as you can see, the videos are being created, generated, slides are being. This one's ready to edit. So what we can do is click on edit right here, and then I can modify this video as I want. I can add more media. I can upload. I can AI generate images and video clips. I can use from stock free library, upload my own assets. I can add text wherever I want. I can add a new layer. I can add speech. I can add voiceover, change the voiceover. I can add my face narration, which is talking face. So I can upload my picture and add it at any of these corners here, 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 here. I can make the size change. I can add more shapes, properties, animations, transition, credit, intro and outro. I can change subtitles. I can modify the subtitles, change the styling of the subtitles. Tons of different templates to pick from. I can record my own camera and mic and audio. I mean, however I want to modify the video, I can do it. And then I can preview the video right here. And this is like a preview, so you can see how the video looks, the captions and the text and everything. And once you're ready, all you do is simply click on render. And when you click on render, it will start rendering the video for you. This one's almost like 81% rendered. This one's obviously being ready. This is ready to edit as well. And all these videos are getting generated as we grow. Now, the next step would be going into GrowthEngine, which is where we can schedule all of these videos and we can see all the videos that have been created. So if I click on schedule and I select my campaign, it will show me all the content that has been rendered and is ready. So I can select all that content, and then I can select the date and time, and I can select which platforms I want it to be scheduled and click on schedule. And bam, that's it. It will go out there and start publishing these videos on whatever platform that you want to do it. And if I want to schedule, I can schedule it right from here as well. So as you can see, this video is ready. So I can just click on schedule and I can select the platform that I want, click on schedule post. I can pick the date and time that I want it to, click OK and schedule post, and it is ready to go. Now, this is how easy ContentClaw is. This is how easy it makes it for you to build a money audience on Instagram, on YouTube and TikTok. Again, remember guys, what ContentClaw is doing is finding content that is already trending. It's understanding that content, it's ripping that apart, finding its DNA, building a new recipe, copying it in your brand, and creating a version of that viral content, but with your brand, with your money link, with your affiliate link, with your store link, your website links, and then creating it all automatically using AI and posting out there. So what that does is, because that one video is already viral and you've created a version of it, it will start getting more engagement, higher retention. People will watch it more, people will view it more, share it more, comment on it more, engage more, which in turn will give algorithm more sign that this video is doing well. So it will push it to a bigger audience and you will get more followers, you will get more people clicking on your website link, and you will turn those clicks into sales. So that's how ContentClaw works. It's an incredible piece of technology. This is how content should be done on social media this year and beyond. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, support you. We'll be happy to help you.